Navy today agreed to pay for the cleanup of the old Grumman property in Bethpage. There's a toxic plume beneath the site that's contaminating the groundwater there.
But that plume is getting bigger and threatening other water districts. News 12 Long Island senior correspondent Drew Scott has the story.
We want to know, above everything else, that our water is safe and it's clean.
Noel and Sal Greco believe they avoided toxic disaster from their drinking water, and today they're toasting with Senator Charles Schumer.
Toast.
Suspected cancer-causing chemicals have been gradually oozing through the soil from the former U.S. Navy Grumman Aerospace plant. Schumer just convinced the Navy to reimburse Bethpage water customers after they spent $14 million on this purification plant.
Today, I'm happy to announce that the Navy has agreed to pay not 90%, not 95%, but 100% of the cost of the treatment.
But here in Massapequa, just south of the plume in Bethpage, water customers worry that the plume could reach them very easily within 3 to 5 years, and so far very little has been done.
If the plume is predicted to come to our area or well fields and impact them in 3 to 5 years, we're saying there's still time to contain this plume.
The Massapequa Water District favors sucking out the pollution and re-injecting pure water back into the ground. But that's much more costly than installing purification filters like those in Bethpage. In South Farmingdale, officials have already chosen to go the filter route. All of this worries Craig Margulies, whose store is in the path of the pollution.
We have high cancer rates. We have a lot of health issues being born through our water system. So yeah, I think something should be done to change the water table.
In Bethpage, Drew Scott, News 12 Long Island.
Well, experts at the Massapequa Water District say without containment of that contamination, the toxic plume could ultimately affect nearly 200,000 water users. That leads us to our question of the day. Are you concerned about contamination in Long Island's drinking water? Log on to news12.com. Let us know.